soft and gray. Jerry the mouse is quick as a ray. They live in a house with a squeaky old door, and every day brings a brand new explore. One sunny morning, Tom stretched with a yawn. Jerry zipped past him, catch me at dawn. They raced through the kitchen, around the big chair. Jerry laughed loudly, Tom flew through the air. Tom tried to pounce, but slipped on a rug. Jerry danced safely, giving a little shrug. "Oh, Tom," he squeaked, "you move like a snail." Tom shook his tail, "Next time I won't fail." Down the hallway, with paintings on walls, they tumbled together in playful free falls. Tom knocked over a vase with a crash. Jerry squeaked, "Oops, was that a splash?" Outside in the garden, the sun shining bright, they played hide and seek from morning to night. Tom hid behind pumpkins, Jerry behind a tree. "Found you," Tom shouted, "now come find me." They climbed up the fence, they slid down the slide. Tom chased Jerry, round and round they did glide. A butterfly fluttered and Jerry jumped high. Tom tried to catch it, but only caught sky. When rain clouds gathered, a puddle appeared. Tom and Jerry danced, they cheered and they leered. Splashing in water, their paws all wet. "Oh, what fun!" laughed Tom, "this is the best day yet." Then came the evening, the stars twinkling bright. Tom purred softly, "Good night, little sprite." Jerry snuggled close, "Tomorrow we play. Another adventure, another bright day." Through laughter and chase, through tumble and run, Tom and Jerry's friendship is full of fun. No matter the mischief, the chase or the spree, best friends forever, they'll always agree.